Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you this makeup tutorial inspired in Kim Kardashian, and Mario, her makeup artist, did it for her and I wanted to try it, so this is what I came up with. Let's go ahead and begin.
I'm starting with a ready-to-go canvas. I'm gonna go ahead and start using this color, and it's kind of a peachy type of shadow. I will be applying it with a flat brush right on the middle of my crease. Notice that I am tapping the shadow on the crease and not dragging it. Following up with this brown type of color with the same brush, I will be applying it on the outer corner of the eye, dragging it upward. Now with a fluffy blending brush, I am going to blend out the edges. Following up with a smaller brush, I am going to pick up the same brown color and I will be applying it on the inner corner of the eye. Then using the same blending brush, I am going to blend it out. With a black pencil, I am going to line the upper lash line. Don't worry if it's not perfect because we are going to smudge it with a brush. Now with a smaller brush, I am going to blend it, and notice that for the outer corner of the eye, it's kind of taking that cat eye vibe. And then I will be using the same pencil to line the waterline, and also I will be smoking up the look by smudging the color. I will be picking up the brown color that we used on the outer corner of the lid, and I will be applying it right below the black liner, and also I am going to connect it to the outer corner of the eye. With a smaller brush, I am going to blend it out like so. In her look, Kim was using a gray color. I didn't have that in the Jaclyn Hill palette, so I went ahead and used this one, and it looks perfect for the look. I am going to apply it right on top of that brown color that we applied before, and once again I am going to blend everything out. To light up the look, I will be applying this vanilla color on the inner corner of the eye and the brow bone. In her look, Kim also used a black shadow to smoke up the look just a little bit more. So I am doing the same thing she did. I am applying some of this black shadow on the outer corner of the eye, and then I will be blending everything out. Taking the same shadow to highlight the eye look, I am going to apply some of it right on top of that peach color in the middle of the lid, and then once again we're gonna blend everything out, and I'm gonna prep my lashes for falsies. Here they are. Yes. Now I will be using Illuminoso for my blush. They also applied some of the blush on the lid of the eye to tie up the look, and I really did like this trick. I think it looks wonderful. I will be using Fenty Cosmetics for my highlights, and I will be applying it my cupid's bow, my nose, and my cheeks. And I will be using this combo for my nude lip. All the products will be in the information box. So this is the final look. My friends, I hope that you like this tutorial, and like always, I'll see you on my next one. Hasta la vista. Adios.